Ba't ang cakey lagi ng makeup mo tapos may powder yung pilik mata? Because the only time I get to prepare or do makeup is when I do contents. Kasi normally, hindi talaga ako nagmi-makeup. Not because I don't love doing makeup, but because I don't have time. I'm an entrepreneur. So, most of the time, I really busy. So, hindi ko na pagtutuunan ng pansin ang paglapat ng makeup. Pero sige, papakitaan kita ng kahit papano. Medyo nagmamadali lang kasi madalas talaga nagmamadali ako. I'm using Chi Glow Cushion. Refill pack yung nakita mo. Meron talagang cushion. Kasi I'm traveling right now. I'm here in El Nido. So, this is quick makeup before going to the airport. Kasi nakakaya minsan yung face ko ay bare na bare talaga. Like, bagong gising pa nga minsan eh. So, yung sinasabi mo naman na may powder pa yung pilik mata because of the cushion yan, be. Kasi sinasabay ko na rin yan. And minsan nakakaligtaan ko po eyelash curler and mascara. So, see, ang bilis na takpan and it's not cakey. It's not. It's just full coverage kahit na cushion lang siya. Ito yung Absidy blurring powder na tanas ko. And maganda yung combination nila. Hindi naman siya nag-cakey. Pero talaga lang kasing nagmamadali ako. I really don't have the time. Super sold out yung mga products namin. And I have to assist and do contents for our buyers para kahit papano. Plus, yung nakita mong video kasi naglalagkit ako kasi nasa beach area kami. Since dito nga kami sa El Nido, hindi yun maiiwasan. Ganito talaga yung buhay ng mga negosyante kasi I'm not a content creator talaga. So, I'll be doing base na shade number 17 and shade number 5 of Babe Tint. If you love makeup, I recommend this too kasi super ganda ng combination nila. O, diba? Wait, iaano ko yung ilaw. So, it looks like this.